students, good morning all of you. Welcome to our online class. Me Manju Paswan from Radhika Online Coaching Center. Students, today we are going to discuss about our EPS subject, that is role and responsibility of parents. Students, as we know that in previous class we have to discuss about the different good parents behavior, family life educations, these are. And today we are going to discuss about role and responsibilities of parents. Students, as usual, I tell you that the parent means the father and mother. So, for a good family, for a quality family, for a happy family, for a prosperous family, it is necessary to get all needs, all extra needs, basic needs. There may be the different types of achievements, there may be the different types of fulfillments, happiness. These all things is necessary for quality of life. And a factor that role and responsibility also affect the better quality of life. Students, if there is provision of responsibility of a parent, if parent understand their responsibility and they do their role, then it is sure that a family get quality of life in 100%. Because students, in developing country there are lots of problems because of different reasons. Lots of couple have to married in early age. They do not have idea and they do not have belief on the role and responsibility of parents. That's why I am going to categorize here roles. Students, the roles are like parent, like educator, parents, idol, parents exemplar, parents as guide, parents as pal, it means friends, etc. And different responsibility is given to here, responsibilities. These are a parent should be give better education to family. They should manage health services for all family members. There may be achievements of basic needs, Students, there may be the provision of to manage the provision of entertainment, facilities. These are the responsibility of parent, and also education, basic need, health service, entertainment. These all are the responsibility of parents. Students, just I am going to discuss about one educator. So parents have to play the role as educator, as a teacher in family. For when their kids becoming family member, the parents should be teach them different types of moral values, social values, different types of health behaviors, attitudes, and they have to learn different things. So that's why the parent should play the educator role in the family. Second one is there is the idle person. The parents should be idle in the family. That's their role, important role. Because when a parent have to become an idle person for family member, exemplar person for family member, the child should mimic. because childs have lots of capacity to mimic good and bad things. They have to just mimic those things which their family have to do. That's why a parent should be an exemplar, like fulfill of social values, moralities. These are parents. Role of the parents should be a guide also. Students, parents should be a guider, because different time the children or small kids need different types of cares, different types of carefulness activities, different types of security. That's why a parent should be guide. For example, if the children or child is suffering from any disease, or they should have not feeling security, the parents should be guide them, lead them, and also they have to motivate their children to be a moral person in family. Other the pals or friends, it means a parent should be a friend for a children. When the children are at a reach to adolescent age, after the adolescent age, their children need more care and affection from family, because we know that lots of child have to forget their true path due to the absence of parents, curiosity, parents hands. That's why parents should be a friend, and they should be understand what the children's need, and they have to fulfill their needs, basic needs, which is better for them. That's why a parent should be a friend. It means the parent's role is the friend in a family for a betterment or for achievement of good or quality of life. Students, these are the responsibility of parent. Responsibility means those types of work which is necessary to do, kartabya. So that's why there is a different types of responsibility for a parent. Give better education to family members or kids. So they have to make the provision for their kids that they can get their education in proper way, in timely, and they also have to manage the protect of child rights. The son and daughter not should be discriminated. They should be sent into the schools, college, and they have to give the child's right. These are manage of health service for all family members. Parents have duty and responsibility that they should care that which member of family need health services, health facilities, health cares, that like immunization, like different types of regular health checkups. These are the mentioned here. Other the achievements of basic need. It is a basic need, it is a fundamental need. So without basic need, a family or people can't live. That's why for the basic need is first need, and a parent should manage to achievements of basic needs. It means a parent have responsibility that they should manage the basic need for their all family members. It means balanced diet there must be concluded according to age, according to sex, according to work nature. Their food should be managed, etc. And other there is provision of entertainment service. So entertainment means fun, getting fun. So different types of fun, it is also one of the child needs. So that's why a child can't grow in all time a serious environment. That's why they need different types of entertainment facilities. It means a parent should make provision in family like different types of entertainment or fun activities. They may be their friends and do different types of fun in their family to get better or quality of life. Students, these are the role and responsibility of parents. It is necessary to achieve the quality of life. That's why these are performed by the parents. It should be necessary. For this much for today. Next class I will meet you. Thank you.